This video tutorial is made for demonstration on how to use patterns from Studio 82 patterns.com to make apparels. The pattern used in this video is a scale of 50%. To get more original digital sewing patterns, please visit www.studio82patterns.com. And about the size, you can check the item gallery. There is the size table in both metric and imperial. And one more thing, the size table shows the actual apparel measurement. So when you choose the size to sew, you may add about 6 centimeter more at least to your body measurement. For example, if your bust measurement is 86 centimeter, when you then you should add 6 centimeter to 12 centimeter to it. 6 centimeter is for the tight fit, and 12 centimeter is for the loose fit. As the result should be 92 centimeters to 98 centimeters. It means you should choose the pattern size based on these two figures at the bust. If you choose item with stand corner, you should take neck girth into your consideration. Also, you should add 2 to 3 centimeter to the neck girth measurement at least. Last but not least, don't choose the size only based on the name of the size. But you can always send me your body measurement. Let me choose it for you. And so about how to assemble the pattern, you should arrange the paper pattern according to the page number and the corner. According to the page number and the note. And the note I put on the first page, you will see like this. The order is from left to right, from up to down. Start with page 1. And one more thing, when you print out the pattern, you should know different printers may have different and default margin value. The difference may vary from 1 millimeter to 5 millimeter. It's not possible to remove the predefined physical margin reserved for the printer. And the physical margin value is a fixed thing associated with certain type of printers. It can't be removed. So the easiest way to assemble the pattern is to use the PDF file with margin 0 millimeter. Just put the paper edge by edge. Just put the paper edge by edge, like this, edge by edge. But please be aware that the lines of the pattern are not totally printed out. Not totally printed out on the edges due to the printer's physical margin. So when you assemble the paper together, make sure the lines on 2 pages go along with each other. On the project curves, do not directly build the lines together. The lines on 2 papers. Put them edge by edge. The lines on 2 papers go along with each other on the project curves. do not directly build the lines together. You may lose the names. You may also draw the missing part of the missing parts of the line by yourself, as long as it goes with projection of curves, or you can save the time just to draw the line in your mind. Okay, let's start. Put them edge by edge. No overlap. Okay. Okay. Assemble them, the pattern paper accordingly, and cut the pattern out.